Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Zelle on the Bank of America app. Start by opening the Bank of America mobile banking app on your phone and sign in to your account. Once you are logged in, open the main menu and select Transfer, then tap Zelle. If you have not enrolled yet, choose Get Started. The app will guide you through the setup process. Select the eligible checking or savings account that you want to connect to Zelle. After that, enter your U.S. mobile phone number or email address. Bank of America will send a one-time passcode to verify your contact information. Enter the code when prompted to complete verification. You may also be asked to allow the app access to your contacts. This step is optional, but it can make it easier to find and add people when sending money in the future. Once enrollment is complete, you are ready to send money. Go back to Transfer and then Zelle. Tap the Send or Pay option. You can select someone from your existing recipient list or tap the plus icon to add a new recipient. If you are adding a new person, enter their U.S. mobile number or email address. Next, type the amount you want to send. Choose the account you want the money to come from, then carefully review all the details on the screen. Make sure the recipient information and amount are correct. When everything looks good, tap Send. In most cases, the money is delivered directly to the recipient's bank account within minutes. And that's how you use Zelle on the Bank of America app to send money. Thanks for watching.